So, Dr. Varu, what do you think these teenage qualities, how do these teenage qualities actually begin forming in the early years?
I think I want to highlight one thing. How many of you are aware of ADHD? How many of you? Okay. And how many of you have heard of more about ADHD over the last 2 years? Right? And everybody is saying, I have ADHD, I have traits of ADHD, pretty much everyone. There's one thing that I have to highlight. The ADHD assessment is about main things is disorganization, forgetfulness, all things that are all insinuating that the person's not being mindful. Okay? Now, in teenagers, you've asked a very good question. You said, how do we predict or what is it that would put teenagers? Let's go back. The whole thing is there is a reason why children should fold their blanket when they get up. There is a reason for children when they remove their clothes to put it in the laundry. Because this is how it is learning that is routine. Every time they do it, it instinctively, but it's the basis of mindfulness. It's being mindful that I got up, now it's time for me to fold the blanket. It's not that I get up and I wander off and someone has to push me to the bathroom to brush my teeth. It very much, and who's pushing? Either your help is pushing or the parent is pushing, right? Now, so you pick in all the agency of the child to be mindful. I cannot tell you how important it is for children to learn mindfulness at a young age, because that's the prediction that is for teenage depression, ADHD, all of these fools. So, what I really would like all of you to really understand is that children need to have chores. Children need to know that when they finish eating, their spoon bowl goes and is put back into the sink, or they clean up a bit. It's presence of mind. It is not about, okay, you have too much things to do, now you have no time, so you have to be put into a car and jotted away to do gymnastics or this and that. If you really want to teach it, not on those things, it's at home. It's the presence of mind in these things. So some of the indicators are that routine, mindfulness, tell children how to do a check-in for themselves on how they're emotionally doing. They're very simple tools that can be done within your day, and it's good for you as well.